Office 365 is a collection of the latest business tools created by Microsoft. All of the most popular business tools, including Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Office 365 also includes modern tools such as Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams can help you collaborate more effectively with your colleagues, whilst also reducing the number of emails that you send and receive. Let's take a moment to look at some of the things that are unique about using Office 365. By using Office 365, you will always have access to the latest computer software. No longer will you have to wait 3 years to receive a new version of Word, Excel, or Outlook. When we store our information, including emails and business documents within Office 365, that information is stored by Microsoft. The phrase they use to describe this storage is the cloud. Microsoft provide a huge capacity to safely store our business information. They also make it easily accessible via the internet. Office 365 can dramatically change the way we work. Simple functionality that we use every day has now become easier. One example of that is autosave, which will save files for us, so we don't need to remember. As well as improvements to existing functionality that a lot of us are already familiar with, we're also going to gain access to lots of brand new functionality beyond what's been possible before. For example, using Office 365, I could have an Excel spreadsheet and I could be working on that spreadsheet at the same time as several of my other colleagues. We don't need to queue up and check in with each other, we just all go in and we co-author on that same file. Now that you know a little bit about what Office 365 is, you might be keen to know how to access it. There's 3 different ways to access Office 365. You don't have to use all 3 methods, it purely depends on what's convenient for you. One popular way of accessing Office 365 is by using a web browser. I open my web browser, I type in the address of office.com and press enter. If it's the first time you've been into Office 365, you may find you're prompted to enter in your email address and your password. From this window, it now knows who you are, and because of that, you can gain access to your email and your file storage all in one place. Another popular way of working with Office 365 is to use your desktop apps installed on your computer. This includes familiar programs like Outlook, Word, and Excel. For example, rather than going to office.com to read my emails, I can just open up Outlook on my desktop. Another convenient way of accessing Office 365, including email and business documents, is to use mobile apps. Programs like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams all include mobile apps that will allow you to not only view information on your phone, but also create and modify business documents. In summary, Office 365 gives you access to the latest Microsoft technology that's continually updated. Accessing that technology and your business information is convenient thanks to Office.com, desktop apps, and mobile apps. In many cases, existing functionality will be simplified and new functionality will also become available. So whether you love having access to the latest technology or whether you just want your life to be a little bit easier at work, Office 365 has something for everyone. This video is part of a series called Your Know-How. Watch other videos in the series to learn more about Microsoft 365.